My name is Jeff Smiley. This is Gateway School District. I am the Mac and Linux Operations Engineer.
How long have you been working with AGiRepair?
About 2015. We actually connected through eBay. I was looking for a display for a personal project. And when I found out how close you guys were to us, it was kind of like, well, what else do you do? And what else can you do for us? And it's just evolved from there. First it was iPad repair, then it was iPad coverage through the AGI programs. 2017, we bought MacBook Pros. It just evolved from there. We're into you guys pretty deep now.
So why did you decide to partner with AGiRepair for your device buyback?
It's just easy like everything else. You know, it's a phone call away. I make a phone call, I tell you what I got, you tell me what you're interested in, we connect.
So you'd say the process is pretty easy then?
The process is very easy.
Yeah.
It almost runs itself. We like that.
Would you recommend AGiRepair services to other one-to-one schools?
100%. I actually presented at Mac Admins in 2019, and a good chunk of that presentation was about how we do iPads. And a chunk of that was AGI, how AGI does iPads for us. 5 years now. There's never been a problem. It's always been good. We've gone through cycles of, we used to do self-repair.
Okay.
Well, it was cheaper and more time effective for you to do it. We used to have a guy who came and did iPads here. Again, it was cheaper and more time effective for you to do it. And less glass in my office. So, yeah, I mean, this has been nothing but a pro for us, all the way.